Hello, KO4. Give me a silent cheer. So happy to see you again today. You'll notice our calendar looks a little bit different this morning. Actually, it kind of looks a lot a bit different. We changed our month. We are now in April. Yep, March, January, February, March, April. April is the 4th month. So if we were writing our dates in our journals, like we had been doing, it would start with 4. Whoopsie doozle, that one doesn't work. It would start with 4, and then we would do the dash, and then we would put the day of the month, and then the year. So our date would start to look a little bit different. If you're writing for class at all, if you're writing for your learning boards, go ahead and you can put 4 dash and then the date dash and then the year. And then you can keep track of when you did the work. All right, let's check it out. Today is actually April 1st. It's April Fool's Day. Did anybody play any pranks? Any kind, harmless pranks on anybody in their family for April Fool's Day? Did anybody wake up and say, it's Saturday today, Mom and Dad. I don't have to do any school. Nah, I didn't do that. So we're gonna start, we have little umbrellas for April. There's kind of an old saying that says, April showers bring May flowers. Can you say that? April showers bring May flowers. It just means that in April, there's a lot of rain and other precipitation, things, the water that falls from the sky, but mostly rain. Showers and rain can be called the same thing when it's not like a shower in your bathtub, but like a shower outside, a rain shower. And that rain helps everything to grow. You're learning in science about how plants need water to grow. And so the water that is coming down in April is going to help the beautiful plants and flowers grow in May. So April showers bring May flowers. Did you notice the rhyme? Flowers, showers. Nice job. So we have our little umbrellas to protect us from the showers of April. And we are going to start out with a green umbrella. Just like the beginning of every month, you'll have to see what Mrs. Munch decides to do for a pattern. Last month we had A, B, C. We'll have to see what Mrs. Munch chooses to do this month for April. All right, like I said, here's our date. 4 for the 4th month, April, 1 for the 1st, and 20 for the year. All right, let's check out. We better get our days of the week up. Today is Wednesday, Wacky Wednesday, which means yesterday was Tuesday. Doozle. There you go, Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Thursday. Wonderful. Why don't we go ahead and say the whole date? Say it with me. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. 2020. Okay, if you look at our calendar, we've got a lot of little tags on there for this month. We have 2 birthdays this month. Exciting, right? We've got Miss Audrey on April 13th and Miss Emma on April 27th. So we'll be celebrating those birthdays together this month. We also have 2 days of no school. Next Friday is no school, and then the following Monday is no school for the Easter break holiday. Speaking of Easter, Easter is on Sunday, April 12th, 2020. Another day to celebrate this month is Earth Day on Wednesday, April 22nd. What do you think we'll be doing or celebrating, or why do you think Earth Day is a thing? Think about that a little bit and share what your ideas are with somebody in your family. What do you think Earth Day means? Why do you think we celebrate Earth Day, or why do you think we observe Earth Day? I'll be interested to hear what you have to say about that. Alrighty. I actually had a meeting, a virtual meeting, kind of like FaceTime or like a phone call, where I could see Mr. Connor today. Mr. Connor was, and I had a meeting this morning, and I chose to do it outside on my deck. And I can tell you right now that the temperature was certainly quite cool out. It was quite cool. Whoopsie doozle. So we are going to go ahead and add another tally mark to our cool column. I put a slash over, so we've got a full set of tally marks. How many is one full set of tally marks? What does one full set of tally marks stand for? Did you say 5? If you said 5, great job. So we've got 5 tally marks on cool, and silent cheer, or do a little cheer with a sound. Today is, at the very least, partly cloudy. I see a lot of sun coming through, but I also see a few clouds out there, but mostly sun. And I am so excited to see the sun today. So we get to we're gonna add a new tally mark to the partly cloudy section. So right now we have 1 for sunny, 1 for partly cloudy, and 3 on cloudy. Ooh, cloudy's getting kind of messy over here, Mrs. Munch. Let's see. I brought home our number of the day, and I decided that today would be number 19. If we take a look at the number 19, we see that it has 2 digits, 2 parts to it, a 1 and a 9. Now, we did this for a long time in KO4, so I know you're going to know the answers to this because you're very smart. But what does that 1 stand for in 19? What does that 1 mean? 1 garage? No. Did you say 110? It does stand for 110. That 1 stands for 110. And so that means that when we look at our 10 frame, we can go ahead and fill out a whole 10 frame for that 1 in the number 19. I'm kind of doing this backwards to what I underlined. I'm going to change it. So that's 110. And then we have the 9 in 19. The 9. What's the 9 mean? 9 extra 1s. That's right. So if we look down at our 10 frame, we wouldn't fill in a whole other 10 frame. We would fill in how many of it? 9. That's right. So it's going to be almost full. We'll fill in 9 of another 10 frame. Those 9 extra 1s. Now I know that I can't fool my KO4 friends, but I'm going to try. How many more 1s would we need to make it 20? Show me on your fingers. Did you show me this? Yep, just 1 more 1 to make it 20, and then we would have 2 10s. 2 10s. Very nice. The number word for 19 up here. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. To show tally marks, we would have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So count those with me. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now there would be a lot of different ways to show 19 on a dice. But let's just try one way to do that, okay? We'll show a 5, another 5, that takes us to 10 because we're counting by 5s, and then we'll show, we can get kind of creative down here, a 6, so now that 5 and 5 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. And then for our last dice, we would do 17, 18, 19. So that equation that we made on our dice would look like this. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 equals 19. Okay. Now, the number before 19 is, 18. The number after 19, 20. Good job, boys and girls. Here's a fun one that we haven't been getting to do. One of my favorites, the comparing numbers. We've got the number 19, and I'm going to try and trick you with the number 23. Which way should that alligator go? Does he want to eat the 19 or the 23? You know he's extra hungry and he likes to go for the bigger number. That's right, he's gonna eat the 23. Chomp, chomp, chomp. So let's read this sentence together. 19 is less than 23. Very nice job. If you want to draw your own picture of 19, you can go ahead and do that. But Mrs. Munch isn't going to take that time to do right now. I think that we are going to wrap calendar up for the morning. Until next time, it was wonderful to see you. I miss you so, so, so much. And here's a hug and a love from Mrs. Munch. Oh, I love you. I miss you. We'll see you soon.